Hi everyone. This week I would like you to practice recording your voice in a discussion. So the first step in the discussion forum is you need to open the toolbar. So you're going to click here to open the toolbar. And it looks like this. There are 3 rows. So if you go to the right, you'll see a picture or a symbol of a microphone. So I would like you to click on the microphone. All right, you need Adobe Flash. So in my computer, I have to click Run Adobe Flash, Allow, and then it should, yes. So then it shows here, Allow, Close. Okay, and then the recorder will look like this. You should be using Firefox. I used Explorer and the microphone wasn't working. So if you haven't already downloaded Firefox, you need to do that. So I record my voice. Hi, today I would like to talk about my holiday plans. I am really looking forward to the holidays this weekend. And stop. Then I'm going to click Upload. And finally, insert. And those are the steps, and it should work for you. Okay, so I'd like everyone to try that this week. Let me know how it goes.